Signs it might be time to replace your air conditioning system, and it's different for every scenario, but the general rule of thumb is most HVAC systems typically last about 12 to 15 years. Maybe you see that the system is a lot of hot and cold spots in the house. Maybe just that the system looks extremely old in weather and you just don't know how old it is. You've lived in the home for 10 or 15 years and you've never done anything with it. It's probably definitely time to explore a replacement option while it's on your terms.